Welcome. Today we're looking to test and compare a couple different methods of removing ink from your hands to see how they stack up against each other. Most of these methods I found as replies to comments on Reddit, as well as the method I typically use. We'll start by adding ink to each finger. This is the same ink that I used in my previous video. After adding the ink, I blot each finger with a paper towel just to prevent it from dripping everywhere. The first method will be a basic soap and water. We'll use this as a control to make sure that we're doing better than the bare minimum. As you can see, it removed a considerable amount of ink, but there is a considerable stain left behind. Our second method is alcohol-based hand sanitizer. I found this as a response on Reddit. Applying a generous amount to my finger and agitating it for a bit. This seems to actually spread the stain a little bit, and the end result isn't much better than the soap and water. Our third method is toothpaste. You'll want to make sure this is the white gritty toothpaste and not the gel kind. Applying a bit to the side here to not contaminate my toothpaste. I add a bit of it to my finger and rub it in. After a bit of agitation, I use the water to wash this off. The end results on this were actually a bit disappointing. I expected the toothpaste to do a little better because of the abrasiveness of the paste. Our final method is the one I typically use. Just a kitchen sponge with a bit of dish soap. You'll use the scrubby side on the back and just scrub for a bit until the ink washes away. Overall, I'll stick with the method I typically use. If you've made it this far in the video, consider hitting the like button to let me know you made it all the way to the end. I've been working on a number of more complex videos that have been a little tougher to bring to fruition, so a bit of encouragement wouldn't hurt.